back to Kelly's Creations. Sorry, no microphone. I wasn't planning on taping, but one of these that I just did came out so nice I had to stop. This is just American Floetrol and Paint 1-to-1. And then in this bottom, this is actually one that I made up myself, so I can't even give you a color. But I also have some iridescent pouring medium in it, and you can see that. And what I've done is taken my squeeze bottle and already covered the sides. So now I'm just trying to make sure that all the wood is covered. Okay, it looks like it is. Let's put a little more on here though. It looks like it's really kind of thin. All right. I think I'm going to do this one. Let's start off with the Blue Flash from Folk Art. And this one I want it to run down the edges too, so let me make sure I got that covered real well. Okay, do I have all my corners there? Yep. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to run a little bit of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Red. Okay. Then I'm going to come on top of that with Folk Art's Aqua Flash. And I'm going to use a black cell activator this time. Let's get all of our bubbles out of here. Okay, and my cell activator is Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam Oxide Black 3-to-1 from the Australian Floetrol. Oh, I like that. I like that. Let's see if we can't get a little more lacing on here though. I think I need some more cell activator. There we go. Okay, now let's try it. That's better. That's better. Okay. Helps if you actually touch the paint, doesn't it? Sweet. I think I'm going to take and on the areas where it's darker, I think I want to try. It's the worst thing that happens is that I have to to scrape it off and redo it. Not a big deal. So let's clean this off real well. And grab the white cell activator and go over top of the black. I went down a little bit too hard on that one. Well, and then too soft. Well, this should be easy enough to fix. Let's blue flash, a little bit of the red, and teal. Bubbles. Okay, and there it is. Okay, now let's see if maybe I can tip some of that. Not really. Okay, but what I am going to do is make sure that I have all of my drips off the bottom so that my paint won't continue to run. Okay, give me just a second and I'll bring you down for a close-up on this one, and I'll show you the one that I had just finished. We'll be right back. Here's the one that we just did, and this is with the studio lights on, and this is the one I did off camera, and I think the only difference is I put some 24 karat gold in there, so it might have selled up a little bit better. But give me just a second and I'll show you with the studio lights on. There we go. And then the previous one that was done off camera. If you're a subscriber, I thank you very much. If you're not, do me a favor, help me build up my channel. Hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell and select all. Anytime that I post a video, you'll be notified of it. Come on out, take a look, tell me what you think, and we'll work on growing some things together. So until the next time, from the foothills of the Smoky Mountains, praying that you're all happy, healthy, and safe. And until the next time, bye-bye.